Hi beauties, welcome back. Having incorporated VT Reedle Shot 100 into my nightly skincare routine nowadays, I am thoroughly impressed with the results. Initially apprehensive due to its Sika needles, I was pleasantly surprised by the minimal discomfort, a mere 1.510 on the pain scale, with only temporary redness that quickly subsided. The sensation is reminiscent of a gentle derma roller effect, which fades swiftly. Upon waking each morning, I'm greeted by visibly plump, hydrated, and radiant skin, truly a step closer to achieving the coveted glass skin look. Notably, my foundation applies more smoothly and seamlessly, enhancing my overall makeup appearance. To complement the effects, I ensure to moisturize adequately and diligently apply SPF for skin protection. As someone with dry, thin, and sensitive skin, selecting a mild and safe skin booster was paramount. VT Reedle Shot 100 has proven to be gentle yet effective, facilitating better absorption of subsequent skincare products. The resulting smoother facial texture is a testament to its efficacy. However, it's important to note that the physical tingling from the needles persists even after washing off the product, which may be overwhelming for daily use, despite the recommendation. As a precaution, I intend to limit usage to 3 times a week to avoid potential overstimulation. Overall, I am delighted with the performance of VT Reedle Shot 100 Essence and eagerly anticipate exploring additional skincare offerings from the brand. It's worth mentioning, though, that individuals with supersensitive skin should exercise caution as there is a risk of acne breakouts. Despite this minor consideration, VT Reedle Shot has undoubtedly earned its place as a staple in my skincare regimen.